Hey my friends, it's early on a Saturday morning, and we're not a Saturday morning, golly, today's Monday. I'm so lost, y'all. It's early, as you can see, the sun's just coming up, and I'm going to get started cleaning my pool because it is a swamp right now. So if you want to figure out how to turn a swampy water to crystal cool, clear pool water, come on along with me. Grab you a drink, sit down in a deck chair, and let's go. The first thing I'm going to do is go into my trouble-free pool app on my phone, and I'm going to test my water levels and figure out what I need to get my chlorine level up to shock level, because I need to shock this pool, which is a process, not a product. I put in my current levels and it'll tell me what I need to do to fix my pH and how much chlorine I need to put in it to get it up to shock level. Because to kill this green stuff that's in my pool, I have to get it up to shock level. And I did use some HTH powdered, quote unquote, shock, dissolved it and poured it in the water. Okay, the bleach is in it, or not the bleach, but the shock. So I'm going to continue to brush this. You can tell it's working. That's how you know it's working, that it's killing everything. So I will check my levels before I go to bed tonight. If I need to add some more liquid chlorine, I will. And then tomorrow, hopefully we'll flock it and vacuum it to waste, and it'll be clear. This is it after about 2 hours. You can see it's starting to turn blue. I'm going to skim all this off, but right now we're going to hook up the pump and the sand filter. Just waiting it to fill up, and then we're gonna skim all this off to waste and get all of this out of the pool. Then we'll add this, and it'll drop whatever's left to the pool bottom, and then I will vacuum it out in the morning, because that has to sit, this has to sit 12 to 24 hours. So, but hopefully most of that will go off. So, but I have a leaky water hose, so I've got that dripping in the pool too. But as you can see, it's pretty much killed most of the algae that was on the bottom of my pool. And where it was the dark green, now it's almost blue, like ocean water. We're getting there. As you can see, it's all settling down at the bottom now. Still got a little ways, because it's only been not quite 12 hours. So I'm going to give it a little more time. Then we'll vacuum to waste and then get it started filtering. But as you can see, it's working. You could actually see the pattern on the side. And what a big change, right? And here is the finished product. I need to get some tabs in my ducky. But as you can see, crystal clear. Yes, ma'am. And if you put all total, 2 days. So, if you want to know the method I used, just tag me in the bottom and I'll let you know. But This is my part of paradise. If I could just get my deck built on that side, except for the gnats. Now I just gotta straighten this mess up here. Get rid of the trash. But anyway, there's my beautiful, beautiful pool water. No trouble at all. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and staying by me while I got my pool ready to go. Now hopefully we can get some warm temps and we can get in the pool and check out this sunset behind me, you guys. Isn't it gorgeous? That's the view from my deck, with the exception of these darn gnats. If I could get rid of these gnats. Beautiful sunset in rural Arkansas. So thank you again for watching, and remember what I always say. Make sure you take time to go out and make those memories with the ones you love. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.